Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Dinner. I'm having some mashed potato.
No, that is not mashed potato.
Mashed potato puree fufu.
No.
This is puree fufu.
Garin
fufu. No starch or flour added. A lot of Nigerians are adding cornstarch or potato starch, but this one is just no starch.
It's not potato chips.
And not the potato chips.
It's garin fufu.
No.
Yes.
Potato.
It almost look like garin fufu.
And of course,
Mama.
Okra soup and obono soup.
Mama.
Draw soup.
When we mix the garin in the potato fufu, the flour, it goes to be so evil.
No.
Yes. I showed my tummy what to do that, and then she put white fufu. And then he mix it in that one, and with the garin one, and with that one out. Two for that. Then you melting like a chocolate milk. Chocolate milk melts so bad. Can I have more? Can I have more? Too much in video. I did not delete my video, my head hot video, and it's still working.
Yes.
I never watched it.
You have hot video.
No, it's not working. I never watched it. Yes, I did not watch it.
You're going to move it.
Oh, nope.
That's a job watching it.
I'm not
Then you
watching
know how
it.
comfy mountain is.
Now, why do you have those pink? Those pink this thing.
What pick this thing?
Those pick this thing. That one.
Which one?
No.
Mama, before we just having a free hair.
That one. Why do you have it?
I don't know.
Mama.
Yeah.
Or when you was having a free hair, you was covering the hair and taking a wig. That nobody can see it.
No.
But it's not funny. Because Mama, sometimes other people have Baba Hegel.
Yeah.
Not all the time. Some African people.
Oh my God! Mama, you are so big. You can cook so lekker. So lekker.
African cook lekker.
Hey?
And Mama, Africans cook so 100 pounds of
Pepper beans.
I want to have more soup. Soup. Can I have soup?
Your fufu is finished.
I want to lick the soup.
There's no soup again, it's only meat.
Can I have meat?
Finish your fufu. No meat.
Oh,
Mama,
what?
what my meat?
No.
I don't want
Funny bowl.
Anyway, bye.